Okay, dear students, we are in Eamcet Mathematics and also we are in Demoivres Theorem. See, until last class we have finished seven classes and up to question number 35. In this class, we are going to finish from question number 36 to 40. Okay, see what they have given. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 20 sin 2n pi by 21 minus I cos 2n pi by 21. This is 21. Okay. This value is how much, like they are asking. This question is Eamcet 2017 question. 4 options also they have given. See, like this in last class, last question, that means question number 35 was like this only. And we will take this also. Okay, then with both these questions we are going to get some experience. Okay, see, I want to write it in CIS form, but cos is here. Then you bring this side. For bringing minus I, you have to take common. Let us take common I. Why? Because I want to save the space. That is why question is there. Directly I am putting answer. Once again I am not writing the question. Minus I. Okay. You put in parenthesis inside. Okay. Then sigma n is equal to 1 to 20. Okay. Then because minus I have taken cos 2n pi by 21. Here what will come? Sin 2n pi by 21 will come. I also will come. Okay. Now wait. See, here minus I is there. If here minus, if you keep minus minus plus I square. I square is minus. Minus sin 2n pi it is going to become. But you have to get plus. Then you put plus. Now what is happening? I into I square is minus 1, but because of minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1. Now you have to write this plus. Okay. Okay. Now this, how can you change this? You also can change like this. You see, minus I sigma n is equal to 1 to 20 CIS form. CIS 2n pi by 21. Okay, CIS 2n pi by 21. Okay. Again, see, okay, I will write here. Why? Because I don't have space there. I am writing here. This is also can be written like this. You see, minus I. Okay, sigma n is equal to 1 to 20. Okay. Now not in CIS form. E power I am writing. You see, e power 2n pi by 21 I. Okay. E power I theta. E power I theta. We know. E power 2n pi by 21. But I also have to give. Why? Because plus I. If it is minus, then you have to write minus I. Okay. This is the form. Now you see. Now I want to remove the sigma. If I want to remove the sigma, n is from 1 to 20 means first I will take n is equal to 1. At n is equal to 1, I want to take only this value. Minus I will be outside. Let it be. That is why I have put comma here. At n is equal to 1, e power 2n pi I by 21 is equal to, at n is equal to 1. See, n is equal to 1 means 2 pi. E power 2 pi I by 21. Okay. In place of n you are keeping 1. That means 2 pi by 21 I. E is equal to 2 pi by 21 I. Okay. Now you take last one also, e power 20. At n is equal to 20, e power 40 pi by 21. 40 pi I by 21. Why? Because 2 into 20. Okay. This is there. Now once again I am writing this question. How I am writing this question? You see, let I am taking this as yes. Sum is equal to minus I. Okay. Now you see, sigma will not be there. This will not be there. Now we are writing this, and also I am taking. Okay, I am writing. You see, e power 2 pi I by 21 plus. Because summation we are doing, e power 40 pi I by 21. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. Now you see, This I am taking as alpha. Then alpha square will be there. We know very well. Why? Because square means from top we are going to do. Okay. See, let alpha is equal to first one. First one is this one. This one. E power 2 pi I by 21. Okay. If that is the case, then how it is going to become this summation? Summation is going to become like this. You see, minus I into e power 2 pi is alpha plus alpha square plus alpha cube plus alpha to the power of 20. If you keep alpha to the power of 20, automatically 20 into 2, 40 pi I only it is going to become. Okay. The same thing we have. Okay. Now you see, like last question only. This is a geometric sum, geometric progression, geometric series. A is alpha, alpha square by alpha, alpha. R is alpha, alpha, common ratio. You see, A is equal to alpha, R is equal to alpha, then N will be 20. N will be 20, up to 20, alpha power 1 to 20. That means up to 20 we are going to do. Then we know the formula. S is equal to, you see, S is this one, but afterwards, or else I will take this as S dash. Why? Because see, S into minus I is S dash like you think. Okay, I am taking this as S dash. Why? Because you are going to get confusion. This side, that side, both are different. This side is up to here only. Okay, what is the formula? A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R will be your formula. Okay, then proceed further. S is equal to A is how much? Alpha into 1 minus alpha to the power of n. N means 20. Alpha to the power of 20 divided by 1 minus alpha. Okay, send alpha inside. Alpha minus alpha to the power of 21 divided by 1 minus alpha. Alpha to the power of 21, what is the value? Then you find alpha to the 25. Alpha to the power of 21 is equal to, you see, in this you have to keep 21. That's all. Okay. E power 2 into 21 pi I by 21. 21 going to get cancelled. This is going to become E 2 pi I. Originally this value is how much? Cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. Okay, cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. Cos 2 pi value is how much? Cos 2 pi value is 1. Sin 2 pi value is 0. Origin, starting point. Cos 0, sin 0, both are same. Cos 2 pi are cos 0, sin 2 pi are sin 0, 360 degree. Okay. 1 plus I0. You see what I am writing? Alpha to the power of 21 is equal to 1 plus I0. What is this value? 1. That means we can keep alpha to the power of 21 as 1. That means S is equal to alpha minus 1 by 1 minus alpha. Okay, see, this is alpha S only. But you want S dash. Minus I you have to multiply. Write down. S dash is equal to minus I into alpha minus 1 by 1 minus alpha. That is equal to. If you set inside automatically, what will happen? I into 1 minus alpha divided by 1 minus alpha. That is equal to I. Okay? I will be your answer, 36. Okay? Let us go for 37th question. Okay, see question number 37. The sum of the least positive arguments of distinct cube roots of complex number 1 minus I root 3 is, like they are asking. 4 options they have given. This question is asked in Eamcet 2018. You see, this number, cube roots you have to find. Cube roots. Normally cube roots means 3 roots will come. Okay. And for unity means 1 will come. But this is not unity. 1 minus I root 3. Okay. We will see what will come and all. And see, those roots, argument, only argument. The argument means theta, angle. Only angles you have to add. Sum means 3 angles you have to add. Addition of 3 angles of roots, sum of arguments. What is the value, like they are asking? Okay. Let me proceed this. You see, first I am writing this number, but this number can I convert? Let z is equal to 1 minus I root 3. Can we convert this into CIS form. Why? Because 1 and root 3 cannot match. What I do, I will divide it by with 2. Okay, you see what I am writing. 2 if I take common, 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay. Now, logic is cos should be positive and sin should be negative. This is possible only in fourth quadrant. That means fourth quadrant angle you have to take. Fourth quadrant angle you have to take. And there cos should be 1 by 2. Cos 1 by 2 means 60 degree. That means minus 60. Minus 60 means 360 minus 60, 300 degree. 300 degree means how you are going to find? Pi by 3 into 5. Pi by 3 means 60 into 5. 5 into 60, 300. That means 5 pi by 3 you have to take. Okay. There, sin is it negative? Yes, definitely is negative. Why? Because see, sin 300 is negative only. Why? Because sin 300 means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant not belongs to sin. Only cos and secant. That is why it is going to become negative. Okay. Let me write then. You see that is equal to, I am writing like this, you see. 2, 1 by 2 is what I am going to write? I am going to write like this. Cos 5 pi by 3, 300 degrees. Plus I sin 5 pi by 3. Don't confuse why I have written plus like why, even though it is minus here like. Why? Because see, sin 5 pi by 3 value itself is minus will come. Okay? See, one is plus, another one is minus means cos is plus, sin is minus means fourth quadrant you have to go. That is why I have chosen this. Okay. Cube root means what is going to happen? Power 1 by 3 you have to keep, that's all. That means you see cube root. I am writing, you see. Z power 1 by 3 is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 CIS 5 pi by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Is it correct? Why? Because 1 by 3 will come for all, na? Cube root, Z power 1 by 3. Why? Because we want cube root. 2 power 1 by 3. 2 is also there. That also you have to take. 2 power 1 by 3. CIS 5 CIS. Why? Because plus is there. That is why I have not written. CIS 5 pi by 3. If it is minus, then CIS minus 5 pi by 3 you have to write. Okay, power 1 by 3. Okay. Now you see, is it general form? No. Then you write general form. You see, general form that is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 CIS. Okay, what is the general form? 5 pi by 3 plus 2k pi whole to the power of 1 by 3. Is it correct? Definitely correct. Why? Because see, this may be theta, but every, what we can say, one cycle, 360 degrees it will take 2 pi. First cycle means k you are going to put 0 from starting. 1, 2, like that you are going to take. But here k should be, why? Because cube root is there, n, 1 by n, 3. That means 0, 1, 2 you take. Okay. If that is the case, substitute to 0. Wait, why? Because of this something you do. That is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 CIS. You see 5 pi plus 6k pi. 5 pi plus 6k pi. 6k pi divided by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Is it okay? 5 pi plus 6 k pi whole to the power of 3, 1 by 3. Okay, now you apply. See, for this already you have applied, this is constant, but for this you have not yet applied, then you apply. You apply, what will come and we will see. Okay, you see that is equal to, if you apply, what will happen? 2 power 1 by 3, this is a constant. CIS is also okay. But here what will happen? 5 pi plus 6k pi divided by 1 by 3 into 3, 9. What I want to do, see now 1 by 3 is not there, power, why? Because I have already sent inside. See, I am taking like this, 2 pi CIS, pi by 9 shall I take common? Yes, sir. Pi by 9 I am taking common, 5 plus 6k. Is it okay? Pi 9. Pi by 9 I have taken common. 5 plus 6k is there. Okay. Now you apply k is equal to 0 something like. Okay, k is equal to 0 means you see alpha. K is equal to 0 implies alpha. Alpha, beta, gamma, like that you think 3 cube roots are there, like, okay. Angle we will take. Okay, alpha is k is equal to 0. First of all, you are applying 0. 0 means here 0, but 5 pi by 9 will come. Alpha is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 CIS 5 pi by 9. 5 pi by 9. You see, 5 pi by 9 means angle is 5 pi by 9. Why? Because he is asking only angle, argument. Okay? Let me go for k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1 implies beta. You take this as beta. 2 power 1 by 3 CIS 1 if you apply here 6 plus 5 11. 11 pi by 9. 11 pi by 9. Okay? That means 11 pi by 9 you require argument. Okay, now go for k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2. Okay, k is equal to 2 implies gamma. 2 power 1 by 3 CIS 2 if you give 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5. Yes. 0 have given, 1 who have given, then 2 have to give. 12 plus 5, 17 pi. 17 pi, 12 plus 5, 17 pi by 9. Okay, now you write all, summation of all angles. Sum of positive arguments. Sum of arguments is equal to 5 pi by 9 plus 11 pi by 9 plus 17 pi by 9, that is equal to, how much this is going to happen? 16, 23 pi by 9. Okay, is there 23 pi by 9? 28 plus 4, 33 pi by 9. 33 pi by 9. Then you, what we can say, with 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 threes. 11 pi by 3. You understand this question? Okay. Let us go for 38th question. See, question number 38. One of the complex roots of the equation they have given x to the power of 11 minus x to the power of 6 minus x to the power of 5 plus 1 equal to 0 is, 4 options they have given. See, actually, if you solve this equation, x power 6 and x power 5 will come. That means 6 roots and 5 roots will come. Total 11 roots will come. 1 or 2 roots may match. But you see, those roots, at least one root you should match with these 4 options. Which root is matching, that root you have to put option. Okay, Eamcet 2018 question. See how I am tackling this equation. First you have to tackle this equation. You see what I am writing? X to the power of 11 minus x to the power of 6 minus x to the power of 5 plus 1 equal to 0. If you observe carefully, you see here x to the power of 6, if you take common x to the power of 5 is going to become. That means here x to the power of 5 is there. That hint you should get. Okay, you see what I am writing? X to the power of 6 I have taken common, then x to the power of 5 minus 1 will be there. Then here also x to the power of plus 1 is there. That means you change this as this one. But minus is there. That is why you put minus 1. Minus x to the power of 5 plus 1. Okay, now what will happen? This will happen. You see, x to the power of 6 minus 1 into x to the power of 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Or else, x to the power of 6 is equal to 1 or x to the power of 5 is equal to 1. That means you see, 6 roots and 5 roots will come. 6 roots and 5 roots will come. Okay, see, how to take this one? See what I am doing. X is equal to 1 to the power of 1 by 6 comma x is equal to 1 to the power of 1 by 5. This one how we are going to take? See what I am writing. 1 plus I0 whole to the power of 1 by 6 or 1 plus, you can take plus or minus, that is different case, okay? I0 whole to the power of 1 by 5. Okay? Why? Because see, 1 is there means 1 is real number, not imaginary number. Imaginary number is 0, 1 is there, but power 1 by 6 is there, don't worry. 1 and 0, where it will be? Where cos is 1 and sin is 0? At 0 degree, that's all. Okay, write down. At 0 degree. At 0 degree cos is 1 and sin is 0, that's all. Then shall I write this like this? You see, cos 0 degree plus I sin 0 degree whole to the power of 1 by 6, and that you see both 6 roots from here, 5 roots from here, both you have to find. That is why rather than R and I am writing. Okay? Okay. You see, cos 0 degree plus I sin 0 degree whole to the power of 1 by 5. Okay? Again, how can we convert this? We have to convert in generalized form. This we will convert in generalized form. That is equal to CIS 0 to the power of 1 by 6, comma CIS 0 to the power of 1 by 5. Okay? Even still it is not in generalized form, I can say. Generalized form means this, you see this one. CIS 0 plus 2k pi you have to write 1 by 6. 2k pi. Okay? See, 0 means 0, it is not going to stop. Again 2 pi. Again 2 into 2 pi. K is 0, 1, 2 like that. You see, K is, I am writing, you see. And CIS 0 plus 2k pi whole to the power of 1 by 5. You see, for this both, see, when 1 by 6 is there, then K will be, okay, what K will be? K will be like this, you see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But for this, K will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? But you see, 2k pi is there, but you apply. You see, that is equal to, shall I write CIS 2k pi? Why? Because 0 plus 2k pi is 2k pi only. Okay? CIS 2k pi to the power of 1 by 6 and CIS 2k pi to the power of 1 by 5. Okay? Okay, first I will take this one, first one, CIS 2k pi power 1 by 6. You see what I am writing? CIS 2k pi whole to the power of 1 by 6 is equal to CIS 6 goes means k pi by 3. Is it okay? Why? Because 2 3 times goes k pi by 3. K pi by 3, but k is equal to, see, this is 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you see, that is equal to, roots you have to find. Okay, that is equal to, see how much will come. If it is 0k, then CIS 0, write down. CIS 0. Okay, first one. 0 means 0, that's all. If it is 1 pi by 3, CIS pi by 3, CIS pi by 3. Okay, CIS pi by 3 only your answer, but wait. Why? Because you have to prove. If 2, CIS 2 pi by 3, CIS 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is there? No, not there. 3 pi by 3 is there. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3 over 3. 3 means 3 pi by 3. 3 going to get answer. CIS pi. CIS pi. Okay. 4 means 4 pi by 3. CIS 4 pi by 3. Last one. 5 pi by 3. CIS 5 pi by 3. Okay. See, these are 6. Wait, why? Because see, Any value has come? Yes, 1 by 3 has come. See, at present I am keeping this in box, but still wait. Why? Because the second one also we have to do. Okay? Let us do second one. Let us do second one. Second one is this CIS to 2k pi by 1 by 5. You see, CIS, second one, CIS to 2k pi power 1 by 5 is equal to, see, by 5 will come, 2 by 5. CIS 2k pi by 5. Okay, 1 by 5 means 2k pi by 5. Here, no cancellation. Earlier 2, 3 gone. Okay, now this one. Okay, now you see, now see, for this k will be, see, 5 means only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 0 to 4. 0 if you apply automatically, 0 if you apply CIS 0. Same, CIS 0, like earlier. Okay. 1 you have to apply automatically 2 pi by 5. CIS 2 pi by 5. 2 if you apply automatically 2 into 2, 4 pi by 5. CIS 4 pi by 5. 3 if you apply automatically 6 pi by 5. CIS 6 pi by 5. 4 if you apply 4 into 2, 8. 8 pi by 5. CIS 8 pi by 5. Now stop and go. See what are the values matching. CIS 3 pi by 5 is there in this. See, after 2 pi by 5, 4 pi by 5 is there. See, 5 will not come in numerator, this one, top one. Bottom one 5 will come, but here 3 pi by 5 is not there. CS pi by 3 is there? Yes, pi by 3 is there. Okay, we have marked already. 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 means here will come. 5 pi by 6. That means see, 2 pi by 3. No. Afterwards, see, 2 pi by 3, pi, 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 6, not there. That means this also is close by, because see, 6 denominator will not come here. Okay, 6 denominator will come here only. Here it is not there. Okay, 5 pi by 6 is there, 5 pi by 3 is there. Okay. 7 pi by 5. 6 pi by 5 is there, 8 pi by 5 is there, 7 pi by 5 is not there. Then close this option. That means 3 options closed, 1 option is there. That means your answer is CIS pi by 3. Take this, we will go for 39th question. See question number 39. Sin hyperbolic of Ix is equal to how much, like they are asking. This question is answer 2002. 4 options also they have given. Okay. See what I am doing. First, sin hyperbolic x value is how much? Sin hyperbolic x, not Ix, x. E power x minus e power minus x by 2. Okay? E power x minus e power minus x by 2. Now based on this again I am writing sin hyperbolic Ix is equal to, in place of x you keep Ix. E power Ix minus e power minus Ix by 2. What is e power Ix? We know very well, cos x plus I sin x minus, what is e power minus Ix? Cos x minus I sin x, all divided by 2. Okay? Okay. If you open the bracket, you see cos going to get cancelled, but you see minus of minus plus, that means you see 2I sin x divided by 2. 2 going to get cancelled. I sin x. A will be your answer. Okay? Take this, we will go for last question, 40th question. See question number 40. The common roots of the equation z cube plus 2z square plus 2z plus 1 equal to 0, that is equation, and z power 2018 plus z power 2017 plus 1 equal to 0. See, both are equations, so roots will come from here also, common roots. But see, roots will come. Common roots means both roots, that means the root which has come here, that also satisfy here, then that is going to be called as common root. Here, say 2-3 roots have come, only 1 or 2 roots satisfied means only 1 or 2 roots are common roots. Okay? And those common roots should satisfy the equation again. That means see 3 times you have to see. You have to find roots here, then you substitute in this, whatever eliminate, whatever not satisfied, then those 2 roots again you bring here. Both those 2 common roots have to satisfy in this equation. Which equation satisfied, like it is they are asking. You see, B is the answer. I am not going to test with all, why? Because it is going to take time. But I will bring those roots and all, and with this also I will satisfy and show. Okay? Okay. Let us proceed further. You see how I am tackling this question. You see, shall I write like this? You see, z cube plus 2z square plus 2z plus 1 equal to 0. This I also can write like this. You see, z cube is okay, you cannot do anything but z square plus z square. This also z plus 1 equal to 0. Shall I write like this? Okay? Definitely I can write like this. Advantage is, you see, z square, z cube. Z square you can take common. Z square, z you can take common. Okay? What will happen? You see, logical. Z square if I take common, z plus 1 will be there. Up to these 2. Okay? Z cube plus z square. Okay? Again here z I am taking common. Plus z if I take common, z plus 1 will be there. Z square plus z. Again 1 I am taking common, z plus 1 will be there. Okay? Now z plus 1, z plus 1, z plus 1. You take z plus 1 common now. Z square, z 1. Understand this logic? Okay? Now you see how many roots will come. See, this is quadratic, 2 roots will come, but here 1 root. Total 3 roots will come. Z may be minus 1. Z is equal to z plus 1 equal to 0 means z may be minus 1. Okay, this is 1 root, comma. This you solve. Z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. X square plus bx plus c minus b minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square 1 square minus 4ac 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2a 2 into 1. 1 minus 4 minus 3. Minus 3 means you take I root 3. Minus 1 plus or minus I root 3, but here also 2, here also 2. What is this? This is nothing but omega square, that's all. Why? Because we know minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2 means plus means omega, minus means omega square, that's all. That is equal to omega and omega square. Then what are the roots? See, what I am writing, observe carefully. Roots are minus 1 comma omega square. Okay? But common roots are, then you substitute in this. Okay? Okay. Now let also z power 2018 plus z power 2017 plus 1 is equal to 0 satisfy. Should satisfy. First you take minus 1. At minus 1, minus 1 power 2018 plus minus 1 power 2017 plus 1. You take LHS only. Don't write RHS. Why? Because RHS should come 0. Okay. Minus 1 power 2018 means, you see, power is even. Minus 1 power is even means plus 1. Plus 1. Minus 1 power 2017 means minus 1 power odd power minus 1. Again plus 1. You see, plus 1 minus 1 got cancelled, but 1 will come. But this is not equal to 0, RHS said. Minus 1 is not common root, write down. Minus 1 is not common root. They are asking common roots. Okay? If minus 1 is not common root, then you test with omega. Omega. At omega. Omega power 2018 plus omega power 2017 plus 1 equal to RHS you don't write, 0 has to come. Okay? Write down. Omega power 2018. You divide. You don't have to do anything. With 3 you have to divide. 3 6 are 18, 21. 3 7 are 21, 8. 3 2s are 6, 2 will come. Omega square will come. Plus 2017 means 1 less will come. 1 remainder. That means omega power 1 means omega plus 1. We know 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. That means LHS, RHS both matched. Omega is common root, right down. Omega is common root. Okay? Omega is common root. I am removing this rough calculation. Same thing you have to do for omega square also. Same thing you have to do for omega square also. At omega square. Omega square. That means see omega square to the power of 2018. Omega square to the power of 2018 plus omega square to the power of 2017 plus 1 equal to 2018 means 4036. 4036 I am dividing with 3. 3 ones are 3, 10, 3 threes are 9, 13, 3 fours are 12, 16, 3 fives are 15, 1. Remainder is 1. That means omega power 1. Omega plus 4034. Okay, 4034. You see, 3 ones are 3, 10, 3 threes are 9, 1, 13, 3 fours are 12, 1, 14 now. 14. Again 3 fours are 12. 2 will come, omega square. Plus 1 is there. 1 plus omega square, 0. That means RHS matched. Omega square is also common root. Wrote down. Omega square is also common root. You understand this? Now how we have derived these common roots, you understand now? Okay, now our motto is this omega and omega square common roots you have to substitute in each equation. I don't have that much time. I am substituting in this second one. This is the answer B. Okay. See what I am doing. Z to the power of 4. See, both you have to substitute omega and omega square. First I am substituting, you see. At omega to the power of 4 plus omega square plus 1, that is equal to, you see, omega to the power of 4 means omega power 3 into omega. Omega only will come. That means omega plus omega square plus 1, that is equal to 0. 0 satisfied. That means see, this is answer for omega. Let us go for omega square also. Omega square to the power of 4. Omega square to the power of 2 plus 1. 8. Omega to the power of 8 plus omega to the power of 4 plus 1. See, omega 8 6 times you divide. 2 will come. Remainder. Omega square plus 3. 1 will come. Omega plus 1, that is equal to 0. Why? Because 1 plus omega square. That means see, with omega square also it is satisfied. That means answer is z to the power of 4 plus z square plus 1 equal to 0. See, we don't have any shortcut. You have to do this. Why? Because such type of questions will come normally. We stop this class. Last class will be there. In that class we will do all JEE questions only. Okay. Thank you very much.